Here's where you can go to enable the Game Turbo side toolbar for playing games on your Redmi Note 15 Pro phones. If you want this little side toolbar here to appear, this one right there, the one that looks like this here, I'll show you where to go to turn it on. To find this feature, go into the quick access and tap on the settings toggle right here. Now that you're in this area here, you want to make sure the toolbar for games is enabled. And to do this here, you'll tap in the search bar here and type in the word side, okay, and then toolbar or toolbox, okay, this one right here. So just go to it, it'll take you here, and you can choose to turn it on for other apps if you want to, but the one for games itself is the one that says in-game shortcuts. So this one is going to be for in-game shortcuts, just for the games only, okay? And once this is enabled and you're back into the game that you're playing here, you'll now see that little notch that's going to appear right over here. And simply you can just tap on it or swipe away like that if you need to. And then when you're here, you'll be able to access this feature here. And it's got a lot of features here for you. You got the performance settings here, and you got the network speed boost, clear memory, voice changer, and a few other things, screen recorder and all that stuff here. This mode here for the balance here, if you turn it on, it'll switch over to the wild boost here. And it's pretty neat. It's a very neat feature. So let me know in the comment section if it worked for you and which phone model you had. Like and sub.